Hi everyone, this is Jane here, just showing you my finished squishy journal that I've been working on, and that I've put up some other videos of bits and pieces that I've done to it. Sorry if you can hear a bit of background noise. There's a kids' party going on just over the back, and I think they must have some kind of loudspeaker thing going on, but it's a bit crazy noisy out there. So this is the squishy Valentine's journal that I've made. I made this from a like one of those poppy paper envelopes, like a jiffy bag type of thing with like I think it had like poppy paper in it. So it's got a real kind of squishy feeling to it. It's quite soft and squishy, and it makes like quite a nice rustly noise. So just be aware of that. It does make some noise. It's very squishy. So I covered that with an old pillow cover, like a cushion cover. Made my own digitals for this thing. Used some velvet ribbon and some sari silk for the binding. And yeah, so that's kind of what I used to make it. This is just a little look through. It's got my usual little bookmark in the front, and this is quite lightly decorated. I haven't really done tons and tons of decorating in this because I thought the idea for this one would be more of just a writing journal. It's one signature only, so it's not loads of signatures. It's just really got lots of space for writing. It's got stencils and what's the word for them? Stamps. This is just like a little covered paper clip. It's all tea-dyed paper, coffee-dyed paper, excuse me, red onions, skin-dyed paper. But as you can see, it's lightly decorated. There's not loads of decoration in this. But what there is, decoration-wise, I think is quite cute. This is just a journal card that I made. There's a video up of those, how I did those. This is just a little extra pad that I made, heart-shaped pad. Stencils, a few stickers. These are little pockets. There's a video up on how I did that. I'm not sure if I actually shared that properly, but do go and have a look at that. It's not had many views, so I'm not sure that I shared it. I might share it again just to be on the safe side. So there's some little tickets on here that you can use to decorate pages if you want to. There's a stamp or two, a bit more stencils, a bit more of a stamp. I love that stamp. A little bit of a collage. This is just a little envelope, red envelope that I've had from Christmas. So I folded it in there. You can use that as a pocket, pop something in there. Little secret. And this I made like a journal card, or you can use it as like a writing pad, like a hard surface to write on. Because this is quite squishy, you might want to just put it under. If you're going to write, you might want to put it underneath here so that you can have a firmer surface to write on. So I just thought I'd tuck that in here with an altered paper clip to hold it in place. And I've just got a couple of bits of ephemera that I'm going to add, that I'm not going to necessarily show, just so that if somebody buys this, they'll have some surprises in there that they can play with. So that is my squishy Valentine's journal. Hope you like it. do check out the other videos that I've done where I've been making things to go in this video, because I quite like watching people make things, like just sit quietly and just watch them make things. So hopefully there's a couple of videos on there that you can just do that with. It's quite relaxing. Thank you very much for watching. If you have liked the video, please pop along, give it a like, give it a share, subscribe to my channel. If you would like to have a look at this journal on my Etsy store, I'll put a link to it down below. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to go and have a little think about what I'm going to work on next. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. I do want to have a go at, there's some stuff on Pam at the Paper Outposts video, where she's decorated some book pages and kind of made, she's done with paint and all sorts of different things. So I might do that and have a little play with some of that stuff, because that looks like it might be messy and it looks like it might be fun. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you all soon. Bye for now.